Performance, precision, perfection. Introducing Biotix manual pipette tips. Featuring Flexfit, Delta filter, Resin, blade. Innovations that make Biotix a better tip. The first feature is Flexfit. Flexfit creates lower insertion and ejection forces for a better seal and reduce risk of repetitive stress disorder, or RSD. Other tip brands are rigid and inflexible, providing an inferior seal. Biotix tips have a flexible proximal tip end that provides a better fit and a better seal. Observe the difference in flexibility between the two tips. This is due to Flexfit, the patented Biotix technology. With other brands, when inserting pipette tips into the pipetter, a jamming method might be used to ensure a secure fit. Ejecting the tip may also require increased force. In this scenario, the thumb force required to eject the tip can cause RSD. Biotix tips were tested by a world-renowned independent ergonomic laboratory and have been proven to reduce the risk of RSD due to lower application and ejection forces and lower total muscle work during standard pipetting cycles. The second feature is Delta filter, a patent-pending tip filter that alerts the user of potential sample contamination. Delta filter technology incorporates a chemically inert color change compound, which not only traps aerosols and absorbs liquids, but also turns blue upon contact with contaminants. This feature safeguards critical assays with instant visual detection and also helps to identify technician pipetting errors and reagent issues, such as foaming. In an extensive independent comparison against the leading brands on the market, Biotix tips with Delta filter prove to be highly effective in blocking aerosols and appropriate for use with even the most sensitive biological samples. In addition, this advanced filter won't contaminate samples. The next feature is Resin, a proprietary resin with naturally low retentive qualities and superior clarity. With Resin, there's no coating in the tip that can contaminate samples. When working with precious samples or using advanced technologies that are sensitive to minor variations in pipetting, Biotix is the tip of choice to ensure assay performance and data accuracy. In an extensive independent comparison against the leading pipette tip brands on the market, Biotix tips with Resin technology prove to be the most effective in preventing sample loss during pipetting. The Biotix tip can actually help to ensure robust data. With the sensitivity of today's molecular assays, even minor variation introduced by pipetting can impact results. Any residual sample left in the tip can undermine real-time PCR results and the ability to detect smaller fold changes in gene expression studies. The final Biotix tip feature is blade. Based on a mathematical ratio between the pipette tip wall thickness and the distal end orifice, blade also takes into account the surface area needed for a droplet to cling to the distal end of the tip, eliminating the need for a tip touch-off. Notice how the last drop of liquid will not cling to the tip. Blade technology also increases precision and accuracy. Now that you have seen how all of these Biotix features work in unison to provide a better tip, experience the difference for yourself by requesting a free product sample at www.biotix.com. Reduce RSD, prevent contamination, and eliminate tip touch-off with the manual pipette tip from Biotix. Performance, precision, perfection. A better tip.